Okay, so it was a little bit of a climb right there. It's not vertical, and the footholds and the handholds are good. It's not bad, maybe 10 feet. And you can see we're up here a little ways. There's jail rock. So, and this would be where you'd actually go to the top. And truthfully, that's a little out of my scope of what I want to do. Some good handholds. You probably make that pretty easy, but if I was 30 years younger, maybe. Okay, Dan's gonna try it. He's older than I am. He's just crazier than I am.